Glad you're here. In today's video, we're diving deep into laptop 15-inch. I'm excited to hear your perspectives, so please don't hesitate to drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your insights are incredibly important to us.
We're diving into the details of the 2024 HP 15.6 FHD touchscreen laptop, a powerhouse designed for those who need top-tier performance without compromising on portability or style. This model, featuring a sleek silver finish, is packed with impressive specs, making it a versatile choice for professionals, creatives, and students alike. Let's break down what makes this laptop stand out. First up, let's talk about the heart of this machine, the Intel Core i7-12555U processor. With 10 cores and 12 threads, this CPU is a beast when it comes to handling demanding tasks. Whether you're multitasking with multiple applications, editing videos, or running complex simulations, the i7-12555U keeps everything running smoothly. The processor's turbo boost capability, reaching up to 4.7 GHz, ensures that you won't experience any lag, even during the most intensive workloads. Pair this with the Intel AORUS Xe graphics, and you've got a machine that can handle anything from creative content creation to casual gaming with ease. The 15.6-inch FHD touchscreen is another highlight. This display offers a 1920 x 1080 resolution, providing sharp and vibrant visuals that are perfect for watching movies, editing photos, or just browsing the web. The touchscreen functionality adds a layer of versatility, making it easier to interact with your applications in a more intuitive way. Whether you're navigating through a complex spreadsheet or sketching out ideas in a design app, the responsiveness of this screen won't disappoint. Now, let's get into memory and storage, two critical components that often make or break a laptop's performance. This HP model comes with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, which is more than enough for heavy multitasking. You can run multiple applications simultaneously without any slowdown, making it ideal for professionals who juggle several tasks at once. The 2 TB SSD storage is another standout feature, offering lightning-fast read and write speeds. You'll enjoy quick boot times, fast file transfers, and ample space for all your documents, media, and software. Connectivity is another area where this laptop shines. Equipped with Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.2, staying connected is a breeze, whether you're in the office, at home, or on the go. The laptop also includes a variety of ports, USB-A, USB-C, and HDMI, ensuring that you can easily connect all your peripherals and external devices. This flexibility makes it a great choice for both work and play, allowing you to expand your setup as needed. The design is sleek and functional. Weighing in at just 3.75 pounds, it's light enough to carry around without feeling like a burden. The full-size keyboard includes a numeric keypad, which is a boon for those who work with numbers regularly. And with the backlit keys, you'll be able to work comfortably even in low-light environments. One of the most underrated features is the inclusion of a cleaning brush with the laptop. It's a small addition, but it shows that HP is thinking about the everyday needs of its users. Keeping your laptop clean, especially with a touchscreen, is crucial, and this little tool will help maintain that fresh-out-of-the-box look. In terms of software, the laptop comes with Windows 11 S, offering a streamlined and secure experience. While the S mode restricts you to apps from the Microsoft Store, it's designed to be faster and more energy efficient, which is a plus if you value simplicity and security. To sum it up, the 2024 HP 15.6 FHD touchscreen laptop is a versatile and powerful device that's built to meet the demands of modern users. Whether you're a professional, a student, or a creative, this laptop offers the performance, storage, and display quality you need to get the job done and look good doing it. If you're in the market for a new laptop, this one definitely deserves your attention. We're diving into an in-depth review of the GIGABYTE AORUS 15 2024 gaming laptop. This beast is not just another high-end gaming laptop, it's a powerhouse designed for the ultimate gaming and creative experience. So, whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or someone who demands top-tier performance from their hardware, you'll want to hear all about what the AORUS 15 has to offer. First things first, let's talk about the heart of this machine, the Intel Core Ultra 7 processor 155H. This processor isn't just fast, it's built to handle the most demanding applications in games without breaking a sweat. Couple that with an AI-accelerated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 laptop GPU with 8GB GDDR6. And you've got yourself a setup that promises to deliver unparalleled graphic performance. This means smoother frame rates, stunning visuals, and an overall gaming experience that can push the boundaries of what you thought was possible on a laptop. But that's not all. The AORUS 15 comes equipped with 16GB of DDR5 RAM, which supports speeds up to 5600 MHz, and a generous 1TB Gen 4 M2 SSD. This combination not only ensures lightning-fast load times and a snappy system overall, but also offers ample space for all your games, software, and media. The display on this laptop is nothing short of spectacular. We're looking at a 15.0 IPS QHD 2560x81440 panel with a 165Hz refresh rate and a 5 ms response time, coupled with sRGB 100% color gamut. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or just binge-watching your favorite series, the clarity, color accuracy, and fluid motion provide an immersive experience that's hard to beat. Connectivity and portability are also top-notch. With Intel Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth V5.2, you get fast and reliable wireless connections. Despite its configuration, the AORUS 15 maintains a slim profile thanks to the WindForce Infinity cooling technology, which not only keeps the laptop cool during intense gaming sessions, but also helps in maintaining a sleek design. Now, let's talk design. The AORUS 15 features a rugged yet stylish black chassis that screams premium. It's not just about looks. The build quality is robust, designed to withstand the rigors of both travel and intense gaming sessions. Moreover, its keyboard and trackpad are engineered for precision and comfort, making it a pleasure to use whether you're gaming or getting work done. In conclusion, the GIGABYTE AORUS 15 2024 is more than just a gaming laptop. It's a comprehensive solution for anyone who requires top-tier performance, excellent connectivity, and a display that brings visuals to life. Whether you're looking to dominate the latest games or need a powerful workstation for creative endeavors, the AORUS 15 is equipped to handle it all. Its blend of power, design, and innovation sets a new standard for what gaming laptops can be. So if you're in the market for a device that offers zero compromises on performance and style, the GIGABYTE AORUS 15 should definitely be at the top of your list. Check it out and elevate your gaming and creative prowess to new heights.
We're taking a closer look at the HP 2023 15+ HD IPS laptop, a device that promises solid performance at an affordable price, especially for those of you looking to get the most out of a renewed product. This particular model, in the striking Dale red color, combines essential computing power with portability and modern features, making it an attractive option for students, professionals, or anyone needing a reliable laptop for everyday use. Let's start with the design and display. This HP laptop features a 15-inch diagonal HD IPS display with a resolution of 1366x768 pixels. While it's not full HD, the display still delivers clear and bright visuals thanks to its micro-edge design and Bright View technology. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, working on documents, or browsing the web, the screen offers a decent viewing experience. The micro-edge bezel design maximizes the screen area, giving you more visual real estate in a compact frame. Under the hood, this laptop is powered by an Intel Pentium 4-core processor that can reach speeds of up to 2.70 GHz. Now, while the Pentium processor might not be the latest and greatest in the market, it's more than capable of handling everyday tasks like web browsing, word processing, and even some light multitasking. Paired with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, this setup ensures that your laptop runs smoothly, even when you have multiple applications open. For those on a budget, this combination offers a good balance between performance and cost, especially in a refurbished product. Storage is handled by a 128GB SSD, which, while not massive, provides enough space for your essential files, documents, and a few media files. The SSD also means faster boot times and quicker access to your files compared to traditional hard drives. It's a perfect fit for users who prioritize speed and efficiency over large storage capacity. Plus, if you need more space, the laptop comes with an SD card reader, allowing for easy expansion. In terms of connectivity, this laptop has you covered with a variety of ports, including a USB Type-C port, 2 USB Type-A ports, an HDMI output for connecting to external displays, and a headphone microphone combo jack. It also supports super-fast 6th Gen, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0, ensuring you stay connected with minimal lag, whether you're streaming, downloading files, or video chatting. Speaking of video chats, the built-in HD webcam is perfect for Zoom meetings or catching up with friends and family. While it's not the most advanced camera on the market, it gets the job done, providing clear video and decent audio thanks to the integrated digital microphone. As for the operating system, this laptop runs on Windows 11, offering a fresh, modern interface with improved performance and new features tailored for multitasking and productivity. It's a great choice for those who want to stay up to date with the latest from Microsoft. Finally, let's not forget that this is a renewed product. This means it has been professionally inspected, tested, and cleaned, ensuring it works like new, with the added benefit of being environmentally friendly by extending the life of existing devices. Plus, it's backed by the Amazon Renewed Guarantee, so you can purchase with confidence knowing that you have 90 days to return or replace it if it doesn't meet your expectations. In conclusion, the HP 2023-15 HD IPS laptop is a solid choice for anyone looking for a budget-friendly, reliable, and portable device. It's not the most powerful laptop out there, but for everyday tasks, it more than holds its own. If you're in the market for a laptop that offers good value without breaking the bank, especially one that comes in that eye-catching Dale red finish, this HP model could be just what you need. Check it out and see if it's the right fit for you.